Hello. Hello everyone. So let me just check this live is working fine or not. And we're going to start here the another part, second part of MIT App Inventor tutorial from zero to advanced. So let me just check this. Yeah, it's upcoming notification and yeah, is that live? Waiting for the boarding bus. Okay, so I'm just gonna here and let's see the customization. Yeah, notification is on and I think most probably we are here live. Okay, cool then. So why I can see the live over here, I don't know, but maybe it's delay or something. um, it's time, it's done, it's everything is done. Let me just say the hi to here and there are 3 people watching over here and let me just confirm it, like why it's so slow. I don't understand the point, like why it's like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open that. Okay, it's done. Okay, cool. So here we are. Okay, so I'm gonna just open the our chat here. It's a live chat. Okay, so I can see the live chat on my phone. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me over comment section in the live chat, and we'll go step by step here. This is the another second part of MIT App Inventor tutorial from zero to advanced. So in this tutorial, in this live video, we will learn how we can create a simplest first project in MIT App Inventor, and anyone can create that. Anyone can create the Android apps. So you just need an idea, and here we are. So first of all, this is the platform, and that website name is ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. Okay, now you need to log in into this website. Then after opening this website, your dashboard look like this overall. As you can see here, that's my screen here. Now what we need to do here, in the top you will see here some menus. So as you can see here, new project, new folder, move to trash, view trash, log into gallery, and publish to gallery. So in this live we'll see here what is the use of new project. So new project, this menu, once you click on this, now you need to click on this. Now as you can see, once I click on this, now here I need to add my project name. That project name is the app name. So if you want to create the Android app, so first you need to create a simple structure of your app, like first, so you just need to tell that tool to the name of your project. So suppose project name is hello world. This is my first ever MIT App Inventor app, and that app name is hello world. And as you can see here, toolkit expert theme is device default. That is fine. Now I'm gonna just click on the OK. See, hello world is already exist. As you can see, the left side will see the hello world app is already created. So I'm gonna just say hello world new and then click on OK. Make sure don't make a space in your app name, that will not work. Okay, so you can see this is our first screen. So guys, if you have any doubt or any question now, you can ask me over in the chat. I can see the chat and all the things here. Okay, so you don't need to worry, I can see the chat over here. Now see, this is our first screen. Okay, this is our Android app. Here you can see the screen name, here 3 dots, and here you can see the blank screen, right? So this is our first app. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use here that one layout. So in the left side you will find there are a lot of components. See, user interface. So user interface, in this category we have the all components here, like button, checkbox, circular progress, date picker, image label, everything here. We will learn every component one by one. Okay, and as you can see here, the layout section, the media section, drawing and animation section, map section, chart, and lot more. So we'll learn step by step everything, but in this live we'll create first ever Android app here. Okay, so what I need to do here, I need to click on the layout. In the left side you'll find the layout option, and as you can see we have the 5 layouts. Okay, so I'm gonna just select the vertical arrangement and drag and drop this layout here like this. See, dragging drop the layout is like this. See, just click on this and just drag your mouse cursor like this, okay, like this. Now if you want to delete that, in the right side you will find the, this is the, you can see the vertical arrangement 1, vertical arrangement 2. So I'll select this one, and as you can see in the bottom you'll see the delete button like this, and click on delete. That's it. Okay, now I'm gonna click on that vertical arrangement, and the right side will find the properties of this component. Whatever the component you will drag and drop from that panel to the your screen, so every component will display over here in the right side, and once you click on that component you will see in the right side the properties of that component. So this is a vertical arrangement, and that component properties over here in the right side. You'll see here the align horizontal, vertical, default background color, height, width, and image. So I'm gonna just make that height and width is the fill parent. Like fill parent means that should be fill with screen overall. So height, and see the fill parent like this, and okay, and the width is also fill parent like this. Okay, so this is the fill parent. Now we have this. Now I'm gonna change the background color of that layout. So see the background color, click on this and see the orange option, this. Now if you want to add your own color or anything, so you see the custom option, and you can just add any color code, or you can just select from over here like this. Okay, and click on done. That's it. Now in the left side you find the user interface, click on it, and as you can see here we have the button. Okay, so this is the button component. So in our all apps we see the buttons in everywhere, in the Instagram, in the Facebook, everywhere we'll see the button. So that's the button we'll use here. Okay, so just drag and drop this button like this. Okay, now in the vertical arrangement click on this and make sure the all components should be in a center. So for that I need to align horizontal to the center, and the vertical also should be center like this. Now click on that button, and the right side you will see the button component and this button properties, and this button have a lot of properties. So first property is like background color. So I'm going to change the background color of this to something black. Okay, like this. Now see the font bold, but I need to change the font color also, because I can't see the font color over here. So in the bottom you will see the text color. So click on that text color and see the white. See, good. Now you will see the font bold. So we can make that font bold like this, and you can make it italic like this, unchecked. Font size you can define is like 20. I'm gonna just add here. This is. Now font type is here. You can change the font types, or you can upload your own font also. So I'm gonna select the serif like this. Now as you can see the height and width. So I'm gonna just click on width, and I'm gonna make it percentage. So percent is something of your screen. So I just wanna make this 70% of my screen like this in the width. Okay, you can make the height also, but I don't wanna add a height. It's look fine. Now as you can see here the image. So if you want to add the image, background color of that button or something, background color of background color or background image. So if you want to add the image of that in the background of that button, so you can select from here shape. So you can see the rounded, rectangle, oval. So I'm going to just round it. It's cool. Now as you can see, click on the button, you will see here the properties like text. This is important. So I'm going to just say here that button is hello world like this. Cool. So this is our simple app here, hello world app. Okay, now in the bottom you will see, click on the button, you will see in the bottom is the option of enable and disable. So you can enable this. If I will disable this, so no one can click on that button. Okay, and if I will enable it, so anyone can click on this button. Now you can hide that button also. So sometimes we need to hide components. So just you see the visible option in the right, so just make it visible off. So this is hide. Just you can make it visible on like this. It's simple. Now what I'm going to do here, this is the hello world. Okay, once I click on the hello world, okay, then that app hello world, then that app background color, that should be changed. Okay, once I click on the hello world button. So how we can click on that button and how this coding will perform? So for that we have the block code here. So this is the design part, okay? And in the right side, in the, see the top, block code. Here we have a block code. So you can do the coding here, but don't worry, there's no coding. It's just a drag and drop thing, okay? So how we can do this? So what's our logics? Let's think about the logic. Like if someone click on that button, then we need to change the vertical arrangement color. That's my logic, okay? Now, how we can implement that logic in the block section? So it's really easy. So go to the block and click on that button. What we have thought, like when button one dot click, okay, when someone click on that button like this, then click on the vertical arrangement and see the vertical arrangement properties. Here we'll see the lot of properties, but see the set vertical arrangement dot background color. So just drag and drop like this, okay, here. And what background color we need to set? I'm going to set the green one. So just type here green like this, or you can select it from the left side from the color component like this, and you can select that green like this and just drag and drop it like this. So what we have done, when someone click on the button, then will set vertical arrangement dot background color to the green. As you can see, the go to the design, you will see here the properties of that vertical arrangement. All these properties: background color, height, horizontal, vertical arrangement, okay? All these properties we can set from the block also, because we need to set that property in the dynamic, okay, once we click on this. So that's why we are using the block section. This, okay, let me just run this. So how we can run this? So there is 3 options to run this app, okay, to test this. So here we see the AI companion. AI companion is a Android app, okay? So you need to install that app from the Play Store. Just search AI companion, and then once you install this app, then you need to just scan your QR code. Just click on the AI companion. You can see the scanner code. You need to scan your code from your camera like this. I have a phone, I just need to scan that, and that app that I have created, that will be displayed on my phone, okay? But that will work with the Android phone only. Now how we can let's cancel. Now click on the connect option and see the emulator option. So you can install the emulator also and test your app over here. And you have the USB option. If you have a USB port, so you just need to select USB port, connect your phone and with that laptop, and you can see the MIT App Inventor app to your phone. But I'm gonna use the emulator. In the next tutorial, I'll show you that how we can install the emulator. So I already have that. So I'm gonna click on the emulator, and I need to wait some seconds to just see that, okay? So let's wait some seconds. This one is starting here. Okay, it will take some around 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes something, okay, to start this. So let's wait. Sometimes it will start in a minute, okay? So if you have any question or something, so you can ask me on the chat section. I'm here to answer your all questions over here, okay? So okay, so let's wait some seconds and let's see. It will take some time, okay? So let's wait some seconds, no issue. And if you want to cover, if you want me to cover any such topic in MIT App Inventor or anything in this live stream, so you can just comment. Oh, okay, so definitely I will cover. Or if you have any doubt related to MIT App Inventor or anything, you can ask me in the chat section. Definitely I will reply your all questions, okay? You don't need to worry. Okay, so yeah, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, ready. Oh, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ready. Done. Oh, again. Actually what happened is here, like this one is starting. See, this Android app is here. Now this one is starting, but that emulator is checking again and again that is started or not. If it's not started, then that will say like we need to wait 10 seconds or 5 seconds, okay? So let's wait some more seconds. If it's not a start, then we need to test this on the phone, okay? So I'm gonna test it on my phone, Android phone. I have Android phone also. So I'm gonna just test it on that phone. But this is Okay, it's still having issue. No issue. We'll see that. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, sensitive void. Let's answer some questions here. Can we have a gradient background color in MIT App Inventor? Oh, that's great. Okay, yes. So, how we can have the gradient background color? So, see, we don't have any, the by default properties to add the gradient background color. But if you want to add the background color, gradient background color, so for that, what you can do here, you can use the image. You can use any background gradient image color and do that, one option. Another option is there is some extension. Okay, I'm gonna give up because this one is not loading. I'm not sure why it's happening here. Okay, so I'm gonna just cut it over here. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just use my Android phone to test this, or you can also test this. Okay, so you can use, see, so you can use the some extension that allow us to add the background gradient color. So you just need to search on the Pura Vida or some other websites also. You will find that extension. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just click on the connect and let's try again using emulator, and let's see this will work or not. Otherwise, what I'll do, I'm gonna just I'm using my Android phone to test this. I'm really sorry, that's why this is happening now over here. Okay, so if you have another question, you can ask me here. So I'm here to answer your questions. Okay, if it's, I think, thanks, I understand. Okay, most welcome, sensitive boy. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Wait a minute. It's opening. Oh my god, it's taking too much time. So let's cancel this because it's wasting our time. So once I click on the hello world button, that will work. But how this will work, how I'll show you. There should be an option. So what I'll do, I'm gonna just do one thing here. We are going to just create some more component over here, and tomorrow we will see the output or result. Okay, and you can also see the result using the AI companion. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just add some more components here. Okay, so this is our hello world. Okay, simple. Now, as you can see here, this is the screen option. You can see here. Now, how we can change this? So in the click on the screen option, and you can see the screen properties in the right side. See the background color, background image, and you will see the title also. So I'm gonna just change the title to say hello world, like this. Okay, and as you can see here, this is our app name. So if you want to display that app name like this here, so you can do this. Now, suppose if you don't want to display the title, so you can see the option of title visual. So you just need to just uncheck that. And as you can see here, there is no title. Okay, so you can do this. Simple. Now, it's not look good, so I'm gonna just add the title here like this. Okay, cool. Now, let's do some more code. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to add one image here. So in the, you can see the image option, and I'm going to just drag and drop that image like this. And here's the option of emulator crash. Oh, emulator is crash. So he's showing me the issue like report or something. So I don't wanna send the report. If you can install this, so please start this emulator. Okay, otherwise I'm okay with that. I'll see you today. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so this is the image component just I have added here. Okay, now if you want to add the image, so in the right side you will find the option of picture. Click on this and click on upload file. But before, we need one image. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just new tab and just search some images. Okay, so let's see the Pixabay hello world image something, and just search. And what I'm do, I'm gonna just download any image from the Pixabay. Okay, or you can download from anywhere. Pixabays are totally free of cost, so you can use their images. Okay, because sometimes we have some copyright issues, so make sure don't use someone else image from the internet randomly. Don't do that. Okay, use from the original sources like Pixabay, or there are a lot more websites that provide you the free images. Okay, so use from over here. So I'm gonna do one thing here. Okay, So this is the image I'm gonna add. Okay, so I'm gonna just open that image, and I'm gonna just download that image, and I'm gonna use that image in my MIT App Inventor over here. But before I'm adding the image, what I'm going to do here, click on that image, and the right side will find the height and width is automatic. So if I add the high resolution image, so that will not fit on my app. So before adding the image, I'm gonna add the pixel like 200, like this, and width is also 200, like this. Oh, not percentage, 200, like this. Okay, and let's go to the Pixabay and just download that image. Okay, download image. I'm gonna just add this one, 640 by 640, and just download it. Go to the download folder over here. Go to the finder, and add the image here. Click on the picture option, click on upload file, click on choose file. That will open the any folder, and we need to choose any file. Okay, like this. So yeah, a drag row mixer. Can you teach me how to enable an app that takes images from gallery? Enable an app that takes image from gallery? Yes, possible, because see, let me just tell you. Okay, drag mixer, see, that's the image here. Okay, we have added the image here. We know how we can add that. Like, we just need to add the component, and then we need to select image, and then we can add it. Done. Now there's a question is like and classify it. Okay, so how we can do this? It's simple. Like, we have the component in the left side. We'll find the component is like the image picker. See the image option, image picker. Where is image picker? You will see the button, date picker, image, line, picture, media, and see the image picker. Okay, so drag or make sure, see there's an image picker option. So once you drag and drop this image picker like this, okay, so once I click on this, so this will redirect me to the gallery. Okay, my font gallery. Then once you select that, and we need to do the code basic. Once I select the image, so I will need to get that image in some, like here you can see the in the image option in somewhere, and I need to pass that image in the classification, okay, component. Then this will automatically, that will automatically classify the image, and they'll show you